Well, if these freezing temperatures have you dreaming of somewhere warm, we totally get it. And that sound you just heard means we are talking travel right now. Joining me now is CBS travel editor Peter Greenberg. And where are you this morning, Peter?
Believe it or not, at the Montreal airport here in Canada, we're doing a big piece with Air Canada on winter operations, something near and dear to you guys in Chicago, obviously known as de-icing. It's a balmy 5 degrees today.
Oh my gosh, it's actually colder where you are than where I am for a change. Well, that's interesting. All right, Peter, I mean, we can't get away from those just devastating fires in Los Angeles. What is the status of LAX? Is smoke interfering with operations there? And, are travelers having to make adjustments?
No, there's no interference with the operations. LAX is used to dealing with wildfires and smoke. This is not a situation where it's anywhere near LA at this moment because of winds. But the real problem here is that the fires are continuing, so it's impacting ground operations in terms of people actually being able to get to the airport, and of course changing travel plans with people coming into the airport in terms of first responders and second responders delivering aid. That's the big key right now.
From a tourist perspective, I know it's hard to really talk about that as the fires continue to rage there, and there's so much devastation, so much rebuilding is going to need to take place. But that being said, LA is a huge tourist destination, and with so many well-known, buildings perhaps gone, what in your mind happens now, in a month, in 2 months?
Well, it's not 1 month and 2 months. We're talking generational rebuilding here because of the devastation. Keep in mind, from an economic impact, you're not going to get a hotel room right now in Los Angeles because that's where everybody's living who has no place to stay. The infrastructure has been challenged at the very least. So right now, if you're going to Southern California, maybe at places like Anaheim for Disneyland, that shouldn't be a problem. But in the Los Angeles area, we're talking Hollywood, Universal Studios, all the television studios, they're essentially shut down right now, and they're going to be on a very small schedule. So for the moment, this is probably not an appropriate time to be a tourist in Los Angeles.
Well, yeah, and just the economic devastation from everything being shut down, those like you mentioned, Universal Studios, for instance, I'm sure is going to have quite a ripple effect as well. Let's switch gears a bit. You wrote about the rise of fake reviews on your website, petergreenberg.com. It's no secret scammers use AI and other tools to steer people perhaps to places they shouldn't be going to, but you wrote about a twist to this age-old internet story.
Yeah, it's quite ironic that so many restaurants that are very popular that you can't get into, a lot of the locals are actually putting in fake reviews of pretty bad restaurants that actually, well, let's say marginal restaurants that may exist to get people to go there that may be actually opening up tables at the restaurants they want to go to. The bottom line here is this. I don't trust any online review these days. Here's a new invention they've just come up with. It's called the telephone. Why not call? Find out some more information. Read local newspapers. Believe it or not, newspapers still exist. They still do reviews. And get a little bit more information before you just go online and go based on any of those reviews. It might surprise people to learn that not too long ago, a few friends of mine started writing reviews of a restaurant that never even existed. And people were trying to line up to go there. So that'll give you an idea of our stupid dependence right now on online information that's not verified.
Yeah, I mean, I think, the old newsroom adage, if your mother says she loves you, check it out type of thing, should apply to what we're talking about here. All right, Peter, as always, thank you so much. Try to stay warm out there in Montreal, and we'll talk to you soon.
You got it. Thanks, Dana.